In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Gmail theme. If you'd like your inbox to feel a bit more personal or easier on the eyes, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to update the background and colors in the web version of Gmail on your computer. Start by opening Gmail in your browser and signing into your account. Once you're in your inbox, look to the top right corner for the small gear icon. This is the Settings button. Click it. A quick settings panel will appear. Depending on your layout, you may see a Themes section right there with a View All option. If you do, click that to jump straight into the gallery. If you don't see it, select See All Settings, then choose Themes from there. You'll now see a gallery of options, including solid colors, curated photo backgrounds, and different visual styles. Click any theme to preview it instantly. Gmail will show you how your inbox looks with that selection before you commit. Take a moment to scroll and try a few. This is the fastest way to find a style that matches your preference, whether you want something minimal or something vibrant. If you prefer a custom background, choose My Photos. You can pick an image from your Google Photos library or upload one from your computer. For best results, use a high-resolution image so it looks crisp across your screen. And try a photo with simpler details so your message list stays easy to read. Avoid images that contain sensitive information. When you're happy with the preview, click Save to apply the theme. If you close the window or navigate away without saving, your changes might not stick, so be sure to confirm. Your theme choice is personal to your account, so you'll see it whenever you sign in on the web. But it won't change how your email is delivered or received. It only affects the visual style. A couple of quick tips if something doesn't look right. If you don't see the theme options, make sure you're using Gmail in a desktop browser, not a simplified or embedded view, and try refreshing the page. Some work or school accounts managed by an administrator may have theme customization turned off. If that's the case, the themes option might not appear. And remember, you can always come back and change your theme again. Switching is instant and reversible. That's it. With just a few clicks, you can make Gmail feel more like your space, whether that's a calming color, a favorite photo, or a clean, minimal look.